Welcome to the video tutorial for the Webkul Multivendor Marketplace app for Shopify. In this video, we'll walk you through the shipping management section. Learn how to configure and streamline shipping for your sellers and customers effortlessly. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, log into the Webkul admin panel and click on the Featured Apps section. Locate the Shipping Feature app and click Enable. If it is already enabled, you'll see it marked as active. Now, let's explore the shipping configuration. To do that, go to the Configuration section and then select Marketplace Shipping Configuration. This opens the control center for all the shipping-related settings in your Webkul platform. Here, you can customize all the essential settings. The first one is Shipping Status, where you can enable or disable marketplace shipping for all the sellers. Next is Range Details, which allows you to permit or restrict sellers from defining their own shipping ranges. Then we have the Configure Shipping Label option, where you can edit the display name for the marketplace shipping method shown in the seller panel. Next is Create Multiple Shipping. Here, you can choose either Use Single Shipping or Create Multiple Shipping. In the Single Shipping option, the seller can assign only one shipping method per product. However, in Multiple Shipping, the seller can assign multiple shipping methods per product based on the shipping methods enabled on their panel. For now, we will start with single shipping and cover the multiple shipping option later. Next is the Show Local and Global Shipping on the Product Page option. From here, you can allow customers to choose between local or global shipping. On the checkout page, both options will be visible to the customer. After that, we have Shipping Type, where you can choose from 3 options: country-wise, zone-wise, and postcode-wise. In this video, we'll focus on the country-wise option. Next, there is Shipping Availability, which lets you choose between 2 modes. Shipping is available if any one seller ships to the destination, or shipping is available only if all sellers ship to the destination. Moving further, we have Shipping Cost Calculation out of defined range. If this is enabled, no shipping cost will be applied when the order amount falls outside the defined shipping range. Next is Enable Shipping for Sellers, which automatically activates marketplace shipping for all sellers. After that, we have Flat Rate Shipping, where you can set a fixed shipping cost when the price reaches a specific amount. Moving further, we have the Shipping Calculator. Enable this to display a shipping calculator on the cart page of your Shopify store. It helps customers calculate the shipping rate before checkout, which reduces cart abandonment. You can also limit the calculator to specific countries or make it available for all. Next is Shipping Methods Available For, where you can select the countries for which you want to allow shipping methods for your customers. After configuring all these settings, click on Save. Now go back to the Configuration section, scroll down, and click on Shipping Methods. Here, you will find Product-Wise Fixed Rate Shipping, Marketplace Shipping Method, and Free Shipping Method for the Marketplace. You can also view the sellers who have enabled Marketplace Shipping by clicking on the 3 dots. And that covers the admin side configuration. Now, let's switch to the seller side to understand how sellers can efficiently manage the marketplace shipping configuration on their end. Sellers should log in to their seller panel using their credentials, then go to the Configuration section and select Marketplace Shipping Configuration. Now, enable the shipping status and click Save. This activates marketplace shipping for the seller. To set up shipping rates under this marketplace shipping method, go to Configuration and then Shipping Methods. Here, click on the 3 dots and select View Shipping. Step 1. Add a range. First, you need to add a range for the products. Click on Add New Range, then choose whether the range is based on price or weight. Enter the desired range and click Save. Once it is successfully saved, click on View Shipping again. Step 2. Configure country-specific rates. Now you can set the shipping rates. Click here and select a country. Then enable the country status and check the boxes for the states where shipping will apply. Set the shipping charges according to the range details box, then specify the shipping days and delivery days. Enable or disable the status for each state as needed, and then click on Save. Similarly, you can add and manage more shipping ranges and countries using the button available in the top right corner. You can also view, disable, or delete the shipping rates for any country by clicking on the three dots. To edit the shipping rate, click on View. Then, under the Action drop-down, click on Edit. You can make the necessary changes here and then click on Save. Once the seller has finished setting up the shipping rates, they can also verify them on the product form. While adding a product, the seller will see the Configure Shipping Method option to choose from in the product form. This completes the setup for country-wise shipping using the single shipping option. Now, let's understand the configuration for the multiple shipping option for marketplace shipping. So let's go back to the admin panel, then navigate to the configuration section. Scroll down and click on Marketplace Shipping Configuration, and then select Create Multiple Shipping. Once selected, additional settings will appear. Under Choose Shipping on Page, you can decide where you want the customer to select a shipping method. Choose the relevant options and then click on Save. Once it is successfully saved, go back to the Configuration section and then click on Shipping Methods. Here, you will see a list of all the marketplace shipping methods. To add a new one, click on the Add Shipping Method button. Then, select the shipping category type, enter the turnaround time, provide the shipping method name, and click on Save. You can also edit, enable, disable, or delete any shipping method by clicking on the three dots in the Action column. That completes the admin side configuration. Now, let's switch back to the seller side. In the seller panel, go to the Configuration section and then click on Shipping Methods. Here, you will find the list of all the marketplace shipping methods. The seller can click on the three dots in the Action column to enable or disable additional shipping methods. The seller can also set turnaround time from here. Now, let's set up the rates for multiple shipping methods. The seller can follow the same steps as before, click on the three dots in the Action column, and then click on View Shipping. Step 1. Add a range. First, you need to add a range for the products. Click here, and then click on Add New Range. Choose whether the range is based on price or weight, enter the range details, and click on Save. Once the range is saved successfully, click on View Shipping again. Step 2. Configure country-specific rates. Now you can set the shipping rates. Click here and select any country, then enable the country status. Check the boxes for the states where shipping applies, set the shipping charges according to the range details box, and specify the shipping days and delivery days. Enable or disable the status for each state as needed, and finally, click on Save. Similarly, you can add and manage more shipping ranges and countries using the button provided in the top right corner. You can also view, disable, or delete the shipping rates for any country by clicking on the three dots. To edit the shipping rate, open the Action drop-down, click on Edit, make the necessary changes, then scroll down and click on Save. Once the seller finishes setting up the shipping rates, they can also verify them on the product form. So, when adding a product, the seller will see all the configured shipping methods to choose from in the product form. This completes the setup for country-wide shipping with multiple shipping options. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.